In this video, I'm going to demonstrate ninZa's latest tool. This one is called Smart Escape. It's very unique. It is an exit tool. Basically, it allows us to determine how we want to manage our trade, not based on some arbitrary number of ticks, as with an ATM, but based on actual price action. So in the case of a long, for example, I decided that if there are 3 consecutive bullish bars in a row, I want to get out with a profit. Or if there are 2 consecutive bearish bars, I want to get out, whether with a losing stop, like a hard stop, or a trailing stop if I am in profit. It basically allows us to stay in the move longer as long as the market continues to confirm that we are on the right side of the market. So if we are long and price keeps going up, we want to stay in that trade, and then we will get out once there are 2 bearish bars in a row. Now just bear with me here, I am on vacation, so all I have is my traveling equipment here, but we'll be fine. I am using a SIM account, as you can see here. Again, first of all, because I'm on vacation, but also because I'm still playing around with this tool, and I just want to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. So when you look at this tool to the left, you're going to see that everything is customizable. You can decide how many bars in a row would appear before you get out, either with a profit as your target or with a stop, whether again a losing stop or a trailing stop. Since right now I am in a long trade, I'm looking for 3 bullish bars to get out with a profit, or 2 consecutive bearish bars that will take me out either with a loss or as a trailing stop.
Order submitted.
Alright, so 3 consecutive bullish bars in a row got me out with a profit.
Order submitted.
Let's try a long here.
Order submitted.
Again, 2 bearish bars.
Order submitted.
Now you can change this, obviously. I wanted to keep it nice and tight, so I just put 2 bars going against me, would take me out of my trade.
Order submitted.
Okay, this was 3 bullish bars in the case of a long, right? 3 bullish bars would take me out with a profit. So works flawlessly with the stop out and with the target. Let's see if price can come again closer to the yellow line here. I'll try another long.
Order submitted.
Let's take a long once again. We need 3 bullish lines to take profit, or 2 bars, I should say, or 2 bearish bars to get us out.
Order submitted.
Okay, so this was the 3rd bullish bar in a row, which is why I got taken out. We're still by this yellow line here. Technically still bullish, so I can enter another long trade.
Order submitted.
Okay, 2 bearish bars took me out. I'm gonna go long
Order
again.
submitted.
I want to try something. I want to see what happens if I scale in on a different bar. This should be interesting. So I'm gonna let 1 bar pass and then take another long, since we're just experimenting here, and see how it would handle.
Order submitted.
So I just took a second one on a different bar. So from the first position there was already 1 bullish bar. So I'm curious how this tool would handle a second position. Let's see. So we had 2 bullish bars and then a bearish bar, which is why, so then it starts the count over, right? So we're looking for 3 bullish bars in the case of a long to take us out. If I have 2 bullish bars and then a bearish bar, we start the count over. It has to be 3 consecutive bullish bars or 2 consecutive bearish bars to get me out of my long position. What I'm interested in seeing is how it handles the second position because it was entered on a different bar. How does it do the count? Yeah, so I can't get the consecutive bars. I have 2 and then 1 bearish, 2 and then 1 bearish. So I'm still in this position.
Order submitted.
Here we go. So it took me out of both at the same time. So that's interesting. So I guess it would go, I'm not even sure if it would go from the first position or the second when I scaled in there. But both are taken out at the same time. That is interesting. So good thing to know. This line again.
Order submitted.
I'm going to get in with 1. If they come lower, I'm going to enter a second one. And again, I'm looking only to buy now. We are solar wave is bullish, so here is 1. If it goes lower, I'll get in with another one.
Order submitted.
Okay, it took me out based on 2 bearish bars. I'm gonna
Order submitted.
get in again. Close this.
Order submitted.
Sorry, it didn't quite work. What I want to do is I want to wait for the second bar to come lower so I can scale in. It's just not quick enough. So here we go. Yeah, now we're just gonna go up, of course. So this bar is going to be bearish, which will break the count as far as the 3 bullish bars. And it will be 1 bearish, well, still closed up. So this was the second bullish bar. Let's see if this bar closes bullish, then it should take me out. Doesn't look it now.
Order submitted.
No, it did. There we go. 3 bullish bars and took me out. Well, I wish it wasn't a sim account, but you know, I'm still playing around with this. I'll tell you, I am very impressed. It's a very unique way of managing trade. So it's not based on like a regular ATM, you know, a number of ticks or whatnot. This is based on, you know, pure price action. How many bullish, how many bearish bars in a row occur after you enter a position. You decide this. You can make it as many bars as you want. Very unique tool. Great addition to the trading toolbox, and something I think could benefit most traders. So if you like this presentation, please leave me a like. Of course, as always, look in the description of this video for any offers or deals from NINZA Co, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Join the HelloWin Forum, where NINZaFamily traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.